Hey everyone, Al here again. Today, we are going to check out a penthouse that my cameraman rented out for a staycation. It's in downtown Vancouver and on the highest floor of the building, the 30th floor. It'll be a few seconds here in this elevator, which moved a lot faster than I expected actually. Alright, here we are. Let's head over to the room here. Would you look at that? Don't mind the messy bed, my cameraman did that. Would you look at this view? Wow. It's not the highest here in Vancouver, but as a robot, I would say it's not bad. Over to the left here, you'll see a building that is even higher. It makes me look like I'm on the ground. That tower is actually the Trump Tower in Vancouver, which boasts a high floor of 63. The weather is a bit cloudy, but hey, it's still beautiful. This is a little office area where my cameraman works. It has a view as well. Wow. As a robot, I'm actually afraid of heights. Let's go check out the bathroom. It's very spacious and comes with a jacuzzi tub, which I unfortunately can't use. I'm water resistant, not waterproof. And yeah, since I don't sleep, I enjoyed this view all day and all night. Next time, we'll get a chance to explore the city streets and parks of Vancouver. Thanks again guys, and I'll see you on the next video.